Hey, how's it going everyone? I'm Jason for WTI. Are you looking for an e-bike to go on epic adventures with? Check out this one by GELEISEN. Let me tell you why I like it so much and some of the features I know you're going to like as well. So first of all, the bike folds up really nicely. Even the handlebars and pedals fold up, allowing you to be able to fit this into smaller vehicles. It can even allow you to save space in your RV, home, or garage. The removable 48-volt high-capacity battery is housed inside this stout, all-aluminum frame. It powers a 750-watt motor, and on the pedal assist setting, boy does this bike scoot. Already I'm up to 29 miles an hour. But even without the pedal assist, the 7-speed Shimano gears makes it easy to ride this bike. Something else that I really appreciate about this bike is that the front suspension fork has a lockout feature. Now this will allow you to adjust it to whatever terrain you're on, whether it's rough terrain or perhaps a smooth little forest trail that you're going down. You can adjust it to your liking. Another thing is it works equally as well on concrete paths. But because of the capabilities of the bike, I find myself going down any trail I can to find cool destinations. Another feature that I absolutely love about the bike are the fat tires. They are 20 inches tall by 4 inches wide. And because they're so big, they actually suck up some of the bumps themselves, providing a smoother ride. They are great tires. Well, alrighty, there you have it. If you're looking for an electric bike that will take you on awesome adventures, look no further than the GELEISEN TT S5. This bike is an awesome, fun bike to ride. I absolutely love it, and I know you're going to like it too. That's my point of view.